Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country cottage vibe home decor. Let's start the video. Vintage country cottage vibe home decor blends the warmth and simplicity of rural living with nostalgic time-worn charm. This style emphasizes comfort, character, and a lived-in feeling, using a mix of rustic and vintage-inspired elements. Here is how defines it. Core characteristics: soft, cozy aesthetic, use of muted pastels and nature-inspired colors, soft whites, chess green, dusty rose, pale blue, cream, or buttery yellow. Use layers of textures, think crocheted throws, ruffled curtains, and floral or gingham fabrics. Use distress and weathered finishes, furniture and decor that look time-worn or aged, like chippy paint, whitewashed wood, and patina on metal. Mix of painted wood furniture with natural wood grain. Antiques and vintage finds, incorporation of flow market treasures like old clocks, animal pictures, wooden crosses, and iron stone dishes. Reclaimed items or repurposed pieces, like a vintage treasure turned into a vanity. Mix of patterns and textures, layered rugs, quilted bedspreads, lace table runners, and ticking striped cushions, combining textures like wicker, linen, lace, and iron. Open, airy spaces with charm. Use of open shelving to display heirloom dishes, jars of jarred herbs, or stacked linens. Use exposed beams, baseboard paneling, or shiplap walls if available. Sentimental touches, handmade items, or family heirlooms for a personal touch, framed vintage photos or embodied samplers. Atmosphere and mood. The overall feeling is inviting, cozy, and relaxed. Think of a countryside retreat or an old farmhouse that has been lovingly crowded over decades. Every piece should look like it has a story, whether it came from your grandmother's attic or a charming second-hand shop. Furniture styles. Furniture in this style is charming and collected, not massed or modern. Mix and match pieces. Chairs and the farmhouse table don't need to be identical. Use distressed finishes, painted wood, chipped, edged, or gently on upholstery. Curves and craftsmanship. Look for tan flakes, scalloped edged, and soft lines in trusses, side tables, or armoires. Vintage storage, hatches, pie safes, and trunks for both display and utility. Textiles. Layering is key to creating warmth. Fabrics, linen, cotton, muslin, and lace are staples. Patterns, florals, checks, stripes, and toile. Touches, ruffled curtains, embroidered pillowcases, hand-quilted blankets, crocheted towels, and lace tablecloths. Decor and accessories. Details bring the space to life. Vintage kitchenware, iron stone, enamelware, glass jars, and copper pots. Wall art, botanical prints. Use pressed flowers, vintage sign, or old portraits. Lighting. Use old iron candlelights, glass oil lamps, now chic, or ceramic lamps with floral shades. Natural accents like giant lavender herbs, wicker baskets with bud flowers, or ivory in terracotta pots. Architectural touches. If you are doing light renovations or tie-up beams, exposed wood beams, baseboard wainscoting, or whitewashed wood floors add character. Is open shelving in kitchens with crowded dishware, fireplaces or fox mantles, styles with candles, garlands, and antique mirrors. Mixing old and new. Vintage country cottage does not mean everything must be antique. Pair an old dresser with a new soft linen slip-covered chair. Mix reproduction hardware with a genuine vintage decor. Use modern comfort supply like a flat-screen TV hidden in an armoire. Philosophy behind the style. Vintage country cottage style is more than just aesthetics. It is about creating a nostalgic, nurturing, and soul-packed home environment. It embraces imperfections and authenticity. You want items that look like they have been used and loved. It is eco-friendly at heart since much of it involves upcycling, thrifting, and reusing materials. There is a strong sense of comfort, familiarity, and storytelling in the space. Why to source items? This style encourages treasures hunting and being creative with that you find. Thrift stores, flower markets, and antique shops. Great for old frames, baskets, vintage dishes, and rustic furniture. Iste and Tebe, perfect for unique handmade or antique decor. Farmers markets or small town shops often carry handmade linens, pottery, or old tools. DIY projects refurbish old furniture, paint frames, or turn messengers into lanterns or vases. Signature elements. Here are some unique, recognizable touches of this style. Cottagecore florals. Think dusty prints on everything. Curtains, aprons, bedding, and wallpaper. Wallpaper or stenciled walls with roses, violets, or English garden themes. Kitchen staples, apron front sinks, also called farmhouse sinks, open shelves with vintage mixing bowls, jam jars, and embroidered tea towels. Peg racks or hooks for hanging copper pans, baskets, or mugs. Bedroom details use iron or wooden bed with floral coils and lots of pillows. Also use painted nightstands, windows, alarm clock, and lace curtains. Use a vanity or dressing table with an oval mirror and antique perfume bottles. Bathroom touches. Use clawfoot tubs or painted freestanding cabinets. Also use wicker baskets for towels, accessory jars for bath salts and pitchers and basin set. White bedboard walls and soft lighting with window sconces. Cake themes by here, different countries influence the country cottage style in slightly different ways. English cottage more romantic and floral heavy with a slightly whimsical lived-in look. French country add elegance, lavender, anti-gilded mirrors, and rustic sophistication. American farmhouse simple and practical, chipped-up walls, barn-style doors, and galvanized metal. Scandinavian cottage more minimal using paley oats and high ginospa details. Lifestyle integration. This style often includes hobbies and rituals that enhance the feeling of country living, gardening, with dried herbs, flower arranging, and kitchen windowsills filled with potted plants. Crafting and baking a visible swing station or baking tools, hung on walls. Seasonal decorating, switching out wreath, pillow covers, and florals to reflect each season. Creating harmony, don't over clutter, use only meaningful vintage items so it will crowded, not chaotic. Mix newer, clean lined items with older, old features to avoid it feeling too dated. Let natural light in. Light, sheer curtains are ideal. Emotional experience. A vintage country cottage home is not just a style, it is a feeling. Living in own should make you feel. It packs a retreat from the fast-paced modern world, nostalgic, like visiting your grandmother's cottage filled with cherished memories. Connected to nature through florals, natural textures, and garden-inspired accents. Inspired to slow down, pick from scratch, write a journal, chained houseplants, or sip tea, and a cozy nook. Lifestyle integration tips to fully embrace this style, incorporate its rhythm into your routine. Display seasonal pockets, wildflowers in spring, to add lavender in summer, branches, or berries in fall. Hang laundry to dry on a line, or drying rack instead of using a dryer. Read or craft in a winter nook with plush pillows and a soft throw blanket. Set a rustic breakfast table with mismatched dishes, floral napkins, and a pitcher of fresh juice. Storage with charm. In a cottage, even storage becomes a design element. Wicker baskets for everything, like blankets, toys, pantry items, and laundry. Vintage trunks and suitcases as coffee table are stacked for storage, often shelving with organized jars, canisters, or folded linens. Vault-mounted hooks and peg rails to hang tools, baskets, coats, or aprons. Signature scents and sounds. Your home should smell and sound as comforting as it looks. Scents: fresh baked bread, lavender, cinnamon, twigs, oaks, candles, or rosemary. Sounds cracking floorboards, birdsong through an open window. Outdoor connection. If you have outdoor space, blend indoors and outdoors like a true cottage, a small herb garden in pots, or a window box. A bistro table with old iron chairs for tea outside, a window space or swing surrounded by blooms. Garden tools displayed on a pegboard or in an old watering can. Decorating tips. Start small. Install a single shelf, corner, or table with cottage flair. Mix old and new. A new sofa with winter straw pillows is perfect. Don't overstyle. Imperfection is part of the beauty. A cropped frame or a faded pillow adds to the charm. The physiology of vintage country cottage style. This style taps into powerful emotional themes. Comfort over perfection. It encourages you to relax, unwind, and surround yourself with things that have meaning, not just beauty. Storytelling spaces. Every item feels like it has a history. A tip teacup, a worn quilt, a handwritten recipe framed on the wall. Nostalgia and warmth. It is a visual hug, recalling cozy holidays, home-cooked meals, and handwritten letters. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.